You guys, welcome back to another video. I am getting used to doing this little intro for you guys so you guys can see what the video is going to be all about. So today we're going to be doing a clean with me. We're going to get the house ready for the new year. We're going to get rid of Christmas because you guys, I like to start the new year with a fresh, clean start, and that starts with my house. And I've been doing that for a couple of years now and I love it. Right after Christmas, I take all my decorations out and I do like a little winter type of decor, you know, something simple, but I start the new year brand new and fresh. So that's what we're gonna do today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, so let's jump on. So the first thing we started doing was removing the Christmas tree. We only have 2 trees this year, which made things a lot easier, but my main tree here had a lot of decor and a lot of ornaments on it, so I knew that was gonna be a fun project. So here the hubby will be wearing a mask in this video because he was exposed to COVID. You know how that goes. So a little tip for you guys, if you have a lot of crystal picks or little ornaments that have this crystal hanging things, they tangle a lot. The best way to store them will be using aluminum foil like I'm doing here in the video. I just wanted to share that with you because somebody told me to do it and I'm definitely doing it this year because last year I lost a lot of those picks because they all tangled together. So I didn't have enough bins, so I have to go to Home Depot real quick and get some. So here I'm organizing the ornaments by color, so all the white ones, all the silver ones, and all the picks and ribbon will go in another one. That's what I was just showing you here. We're making progress. The best part about decorating light for the holiday or any seasonal decor is when it's time to take it all down, it becomes so easy. I remove all the Christmas items that I have throughout the rest of the house and it was just a breeze, you guys. I did the same for the kitchen, the bathroom, and the guest room where I had decor as well.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love.
So after removing all the decor, I went ahead and gave my table a nice wipe and also the sideboard over here because the glitter fell out with all over the place. Now it's time to clean those floors and the hubby is doing the vacuum with the new Tinkle machine that I shared with you in my previous video. And over here I'm doing the rugs in the house while he's mopping and vacuuming the floor all at once, you guys. Teamwork over here. And these Tinkle machines, definitely recommend them. Check the description box for the links. Next day, the hubby went outside and cleaned the front door and removed the decor from that area as well. And then I stayed inside to kind of redecorate the space because after Christmas, you know, everything looks just so empty. My mom gave me this beautiful floral arrangement and I decided to put it on the entryway. I love the pop of color that it's giving me. For the formal space, I'm going to keep them simple here. I am adding this throw pillows. Those I got from Amazon. They're pillow covers. I got them from Amazon and I will link them down below. And then I'm using on the side chairs here these pillows that I got a long time ago at TJ Maxx. Just gonna reuse things that I already had at the house. The cool thing was that my coffee table stayed the same because I didn't put any Christmas decor in that area. For the dining room, I wanted to keep things simple, so I'm reusing again my DIY orchid arrangement. You guys have seen it in this area before. And for the sideboard, I am adding this beautiful arrangement by Marisol, and I will link her website down below. These are stunning, and I'm adding a pop of black since I did the black wall in the family room. In the family room, I rearranged the furniture. I kept the same black pillow, which are going to be part of my 2022 spring home collection. Stay tuned for that. I'm super excited. And then I paired them with some neutral pillows. And then I decorated the coffee table. Very minimal in here, you guys, and I love the turnout. For the kitchen, I went ahead and decluttered all my counter and added a little pop of decor. Nothing crazy, nothing much, but I am loving the simplicity. This is it. This is how the house looks right now. I am excited to keep it like this. Very minimal decor, very clean, clutter free, to begin the new year right, to get inspired, to get motivation. So stay tuned because in spring we're gonna add a lot of pop of color this year using florals and stuff like that. I wanted to bring the outdoors in for spring again. So stay tuned for my spring videos coming soon. For watching. If you're not part of the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe before you go today. Give this video a like so I know you like this kind of content, and I will see you all on the next video.